I'm Krishna, and for a living, I'm a soldier. 2 years ago, I joined into the academy with Samuel Leeds with just a pound, and that changed my life now.
And why did that change your life? What about the training?
Oh, the training that gave me absolutely confidence, the knowledge that I have got it from Samuel Leeds and the whole academy is phenomenal. I mean, like, there is no way that I can take it like the experience, expertise, and bring that the in-house training and brought into the lively into the field as in like in a day-to-day life with the property in terms of speaking with the um, agents or dealing with any sort of landlords difficulties.
And what about like the network, the group of people you meet? What's that like?
This is crazy. There is nowhere else you can find. The environment is crazy, and the energy that you coming down here, it's so exciting. Always.
Awesome. And would you recommend an environment like this to somebody?
Definitely 100%. If anybody doesn't know about it, you have to go and you have to come into this environment if you want to, thrive and grow and learn and be successful. I would 100% recommend people.